Bloom. You don't need to buy special expensive cookware to cook steamed, healthy, nutritious food. You just need the following gadget. This model is manufactured by Joseph. Bloom transforms any existing pot into a steam cooker. The size is adjustable, so the only condition is that the pot must not exceed 28 centimeters in diameter. The polypropylene material is heat-resistant and non-toxic as well. The price is about $14. Homemade slicer. The modern market offers a huge number of innovative slicers and other devices to slice vegetables. They can save a lot of time, but they're not always reasonably priced. That is why some genius people have invented how to turn the most common drink can into a homemade slicer. It's not difficult to do either. You need to make a hole at the bottom and then evenly cut off the top. You must remember to be careful while working with it to avoid accidentally cutting yourself on the sharp metal edges. Zyliss Twist and Roll Mini Chopper. The problem with most modern vegetable choppers is that they're cumbersome and not very comfortable in size. And that's why this device from the Swiss company Zyliss is better than most models from other brands. It practically fits in your pocket and is very easy to hold in the palm of your hand. It's powerful and efficient, it chops food, and afterwards it's very easy to wash. Another interesting feature is that the gadget is environmentally friendly because it doesn't even use electricity to work. You chop the products thanks to the mechanical rotation of the two moving parts of the cutter. You can use a table or your hands for this. The faster the rotation, the more active the blades will work, and therefore the finer the sliced product will be. The price is about $30. Zip and Store Bag Holder. This organizer allows you to significantly increase the capacity of your fridge. It's a holder that's attached to the shelf at the bottom. In this position, it makes use of the space that's usually empty for storage. One holder has as many as 15 clips that can be used to store vegetables, fruit, candy, and even face masks. The retractable design makes it easy to access the contents. The device will cost you about $35. Strawberry lifehack. Returning to the topic of smart life hacks, we wanted to show you that you don't need to buy expensive special devices to remove the non-edible part of a strawberry. Even the most ordinary straw will do. Just put it on the strawberry from the bottom to remove the core and the green leaves. Garlic press. This is an easy-to-use but very effective kitchen appliance. The stainless steel grid grinds the garlic cloves almost instantly. And once the job is done, it's not that difficult to clean at all. The price is about $4. Corn cob peeling. Here's a way to separate the corn kernels from the cob in a matter of seconds. All you need is an ordinary wooden stick. It pierces through all of the kernels at the very base so that they can all be easily separated. Theoretically, you can even use a toothpick, except that in this case you'll have to spend a little more time. Cutting assistant. Some foods like onions, cucumbers or tomatoes are more difficult to cut evenly than others, but you can cut them perfectly straight without much trouble if you have this kitchen gadget at hand. It pierces the product, securing it in one place. The distance between the teeth is wide enough so that you can slip a knife between them. Thus, the slices aren't only even, but also equal in thickness. The price of this useful device is $3. Homemade bag lid. We recommend that you use this tip for easier access to your food and to prevent it from spoiling because of exposure to the air. You need an ordinary plastic bottle. Cut off the neck of it and slip the edges of the bag into it. This way it can be securely tightly closed at any time. This is ideal for loose products like flour, sugar, and cereals. Manual juicer. It's easy to make juice at home regularly without increasing your electricity bill. All you have to do is use this hand juicer. It works with almost any citrus fruit and squeezes everything you can get out of the halves. The price starts at $4. Automatic opener. Absolutely all kitchen gadgets that surround us are becoming more and more convenient and perfect every year. And although the design of bottle openers has remained unchanged for decades, their turn has come. In front of you is a handy pocket-sized gadget that is absolutely safe and in a matter of seconds opens any bottle. As you can see, you don't have to make any effort at all. The price starts at $4. Shape cutter. And here is a kitchen appliance that even a child can use to serve a melon or watermelon in a fancy way. On one side it's equipped with a shaped knife, which allows you to create a zigzag pattern on the fruit. On the other side is a special round spoon. It will help you to remove the seeds from the melon, or cut the pulp into smooth, beautiful balls. Buy it now for only $1. Reusable coffee pods. The environmental situation on our planet is quite alarming, but absolutely everyone can do their part to reduce the amount of waste left behind. One good way is to reuse coffee machine pods. All you have to do is open the used pod, wash it, dry it, and fill it again with coffee. Next, all you have to do is pull the foil over the top and the pod is ready to be used again. Egg breaker. If you're still having trouble making breakfast, then you'll find the next kitchen tool on our list very useful. This is a mechanical tool that delicately cracks the shell of a chicken egg. This eliminates the need to get your hands dirty, plus ensures that the yolk stays intact without the shell getting into the pan. The device is priced at $5. Mess-free flour. Another tip that will help your kitchen stay clean if you need flour for a recipe. It turns out that you can scoop it up with a kitchen whisk. The flour gets stuck between the metal bars and is fixed inside the whisk without rising into the air. Kiwi ready to go. Today's last life hack opens up new possibilities of a utensil that used to have only one purpose. You can now see how the mixer attachment is used to quickly, almost instantly, peel a kiwi. The pulp of the fruit again gets stuck between the metal bars, and the rotating motion separates it from the peel so that almost nothing is left inside.